Hello students, today we are going to learn about parallelogram law of vector addition. In this we will start with two vectors, let's say vector A and vector B, and we will add them together vectorially to give a new vector. This new vector is called resultant. Now parallelogram law is applicable when the tails of two vectors are joined. So let's say I have a vector A and I have another vector B joined by the tails, and we need to find out the resultant, and the angle between A and B is theta. Now the first job is to complete a parallelogram. So if I draw a line parallel to A and another line parallel to B, it becomes a parallelogram. Resultant can be drawn just by drawing a diagonal. So we draw a diagonal from one corner to the other corner, and this becomes your new vector R, which is the resultant of both A and B. Okay, now let's label the points quickly: O, A, B and C. Now our job is to find out the resultant, and resultant, because it's a new vector, it has a magnitude and it also has a direction. So we have two aims here to find out the magnitude and the direction. As we know, magnitude is represented by length, so we need the length OC, as you can see from O to C. And then to find out OC, we know that OC has to be a right angle triangle, OCA, which it is not. So what we are going to do is we are going to extend this line and we are going to drop a perpendicular from C to get a new point N. Now because it is a parallelogram, we know these two angles will be the same. So from here we can say that cos theta will be AN by AC, and AN by AC, so AN by AC is equal to OB, because opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal, and OB is the length of vector B, so it represents the magnitude of vector B. So if we cross multiply these two, we will get AN is equal to B cos theta. Similarly, sin theta in the triangle ANC will be NC by AC, which is NC by OB, and which is simply B. So NC can be written as B sin theta after cross multiplying. So we now have the value B cos theta and B sin theta for these two lengths. Now in order to determine OC, we can say that Pythagorean identity is OC square is equal to OA plus AN whole square plus NC square. Now we know that OA, as you can see, is vector A, plus AN we have already found out, which is B cos theta whole square, plus NC we have found out is B sin theta. Now in order to simplify, we will just say OC square is equal to A square plus B square cos square theta plus 2AB cos theta plus B square sin square theta. Now as you can see, in these two terms B square is common, so A square plus B square, and we know that cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1, plus 2AB cos theta so which will give a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta, right? This is the value of OC square. So in order to find out the value of OC, we will just take the root. So we have found out the magnitude of the resultant. This is the formula, and you must remember it. This is a very important formula. Now in order to find out the direction, we find out the angle. So you can see this angle is alpha. This alpha gives direction of resultant vector in relation to vector A. So direction is given by alpha. Alpha is the angle between which two vectors? Resultant and vector A. Now in order to find out tan alpha, we need to find out the value of tan alpha. So tan alpha will be simply NC by perpendicular by base NC by OA plus AN. So it is B sin theta upon A plus B cos theta. So alpha will simply be tan inverse of B sin theta upon A plus B cos theta. So this is the direction of resultant. So this completes the parallelogram law of vector addition. You must remember these two formulas. Thank you.